I'm Mark from BTEC. I'm here to show you our booth at ISE 2016 for those partners who weren't able to make it to the show. I'm just going to very quickly just walk you around our booth, just point out a few of our new items and existing items you might not have seen installed before. Starting off with our BT8 350 vertical column. These are support rate or landscape tools to very quickly build very large walls up to 4.2 metres high and limited width. This frame bolts together very quickly. The base is reverse like we're doing here, so there's no protrusions up front. Fantastic for trade shows, shopping centre type environments, or just ballasted. You can actually reverse the base and have this entirely freestanding in at this height if you want to. Our BT8370 mobile and freestanding video walls. So we're showing you there's 837 model doors on here. Very easy to change this to freestanding as well. We've also introduced some extra large vaser rails. So here you have an extra large wall plate, which gives the perfect location for 2 horizontal bars and vaser arms up to 1200. Around this side, a new twin screen video conferencing solution from 42-inch to 65-inch screens. We've got some fantastic new custom bases to work with our system experts and products. Around here, anticipated addition to the System X range. We've always had the rail systems and the micro adjustment arms. We've just introduced the push to release the range, allowing you to do endless scalable video walls. We just need to fit one long rail per row of screens rather than have to mount lots of individual brackets. And all of these got the same micro adjustment features that all of our popular video wall mounts, all 4 corners, up and down, left and right as well. When you finish, split, back into position. Nice and easy. The System X range, if you're not familiar with it, it's used for video walls, or menu board wall systems, freestanding or mobile applications, fully scalable from 32-inch up to 110-inch, using our online configuration tools. Just enter in particular details, and it comes out with a simple part code for us to quote or for your distribution partner to quote. On this round here, this is just a very quick overview of all the System X Vaser components that we do. So, Vaser 200 fixed, Vaser 200 tilt. All tilts and arms are fantastic. All these little cutouts here, so you can lock the tilt on each arm in exactly the same position. So you don't have to rely on sort of torsion tilt mechanisms where it's very difficult to get all the screens aligned in one row. Just set all of these to exactly the same tilt position, and every screen is going to be perfectly straight, as you can see on our menu board, which we just passed. We've then got the micro adjustment arms. This is what we most commonly use for the freestanding and mobile trolleys, and for very cost-effective wall-mounted solutions. Again, you've got all your micro adjustment points on there, up, down. You can slide them very easily, sort of left or right for adjustments. But again, by popular demand, we've developed the pop-out brackets. Here I can also see the Vaser 800 vertical mount. So this is for doing large landscape or portrait screens with the much larger Vaser things. You've got 800s and 1200s. The 1200s always go across 2 rounds, great for portrait applications on 110-inch screens. The Vaser 800s can actually also fit on a single round. So if it's, for instance, an 80-inch screen, less than 100 kilograms, you wouldn't need to use 2 rounds, you can use a single round. There's a little step so it's going to be nice and secured against the wall. Right, here we've got our vertical columns that we use for our System X freestanding applications. With a new fixing plate. Makes it a very neat, very discreet, very solid fixing. I'm going to show you here also, these are the JPK joining plate kits. This is how you fit the horizontal rails onto vertical columns. We do a little screen specific spacer here. You slide it out to your screen size, so let's go 46-inch. Lock it off. That gives you the perfect location for all your joining plate kits. If you go into 3-row, very simple. Make sure every joining plate is in the same position across every single vertical column. Nice and simple. We also are showing one of our iPad fitting stands, locking and closers as well. Mainly here to demonstrate our configurator for the System X, which please do have a look on our website and have a bit of a play on that. Around on this side, our ever popular BT8 310 video wall mounting solution. One of our top selling products, this one. We've so much fantastic feedback about the ease of use, the level of adjustment on there, and the rigidity of the build of this. A lot of fantastic comments about the fact that when it goes in and it goes out, it always goes in perfectly straight. There's also no lateral left to right movement as you're trying to relocate it, so there's no damage or got no potential risk of collision with the screens as it's replaced back into nice and simple. We do a lot of these for recessed applications for customers, either single screen or multiple screen, portrait or landscape. The depth of this particular product is between 95mm and 115mm for your adjustments, which sometimes can be a little bit too deep for shop fitting applications. So we're going to be releasing later this year a lower profile version of the same product. We've moved the adjustments to the side and allowed this to come down to 50mm depth. So if you're using a screen that's sort of 30 to 40mm, as some of the video screens can be, you can have the whole solution mounted in 100mm cavity, which is what we've been asked for several times. All the same features, all the same locking mechanisms, all the same fine reduced adjustments on there as well. So I'll take it around now. So on this wall we're demonstrating a lot of our System 2 products. We've got System 2 50mm tubing systems. Some of this is also then coupled with our System X aluminium profiles for portrait and landscape fittings. We've got a new truss clamp I'm showing you here for hanging off for sort of lighting rigs, projector screens or flat screens, CCTV dome fitting cameras. Also showing you here, again those same 8x10 pop-out brackets, mounted as you can see here onto vertical columns. We've got this one on the left going floor to ceiling, the one on the right going from the floor straight onto the wall there. Just to show you various different applications that come up with fantastic shop window type installations. And again, to release. Very simple back-to-back off-the-shelf solution here again. And here, more System X bolted onto our System 2 vertical columns. This one is just bolted to the floor, using a very discreet, very neat floor fitting plate. Very, very heavy duty. It's made out of 4mm thick tubing that are very heavily welded. So again, you could have this as a totem even in the centre of a shop. It's very, very solid, very, very stable. Around here. More video conferencing applications using the System X. I'll slide these left and right so you can see what's going on behind here. Nice, neat extrusion. Again, you've got your levelling on here to get the screens perfectly straight. And this new addition, which is a camera shelf, which fits any size of our cameras on there, or the VC or sort of the larger glass shelves for codecs, etc. And you can hook this up. Again, you've got a bit of levelling on there, and you can mount the shelf above or below that if you wish. And just close up as you go. On the back wall here, is the only place we're showing what we consider the sort of core BTEC product lines, so the standard flush fitting cantilever arms. One new product we launched is the 8225 double cantilever arm here, which has got adjustable tilt on there, easy to relocate. Extra large wall mounting for interactive touchscreens up to 200 kilograms now, the BT9003 here. Again, it's got all the same features, the vertical alignments. Then we can mount this to walls, poles, floor stands, ceilings. Any application can really, if you can trim it up. Around here. Bolt down columns again, fantastic for use in sort of airport applications, sort of bag scanner types. We can use this as a shorter pole bolted straight to desks if you wish. We're also showing just a bit of a concept on our rail systems for toolbar mounting in desk situations. I've also got here more iPad stands, but also curved video wall. So this is using the same System X vertical profiles with a bolt down floor fitting plate, and onto here we've got our push to release 8310s. So if you wanted to do this as a straight wall, we would just use a standard System X horizontal rail and the new pop-out system. I just wanted to show a few different ideas, different concepts. It's a bit different, but it's we think quite nice. These columns, they're fully cable clips, so you've got cable clips on the back here, so you can run cables from the floors up and out the poles where required, into the back to the screens. It's quite a nice simple solution. You've got nice trim rings to finish it all off once you're finished. And being BTEC, all of our products feature the same two-hole system to go onto all of our columns and bowls. So we've got things like speaker mounters in there, great broadcast and control room type applications. Shelves that can fit on there. You can really sort of accessorise these to suit whatever you need. This rather large monster is a custom-made projection frame for stacking multiple projectors, ideal for edge blending on large architectural structures. Points of interest, things on the house apartment drawings, sort of shows, etc. Something we were approached to find a solution that was fully serviceable once in action. So this is a slide-out tray. It takes 75 kilogram projectors. It's universal. You just change the plate on top here to suit the projector you want. It's very easy to change this out if you need to as well. You've got adjustments on here up and down. You've got yaw control as well. All my adjustments for the tallest. You can slide to relocate. The top tray here, much taller tray this time. This allows you to tilt the projector at a greater angle. Again, adjustable tilt, and then you've got the fine adjustments in there as well. Over here, nice and simple, extra large trolleys using System X again. This is an 85-inch touchscreen, 110 kilograms, but very stable, very secure in our System X profiles. Again, there's two System X rounds behind there, keeping this solid and secure. Here, again, we can make lots of sort of very simple applications for LED mounted systems, either for permanent installation into retail or for temporary installation into rental kind of applications. So people want to build structures, put together different structures using the same equipment. So it's a very simple, straight linear frame. The only part that's remotely custom is these little adapters here, which you can see are drilled out to suit various different frames. If you've got a LED requirement, please do speak to us. So we've got quite a few of those different solutions. So you have to really go up to meet the requirements and the budgets that you need. That is that on the BTEC stands. Thank you for having a look. Please have a look at our website, www.btecavimounts.com, for all of our solutions.